Have you ever wondered what goes into making the world's most famous sneakers? Every time you lace up a pair of Nikes, you're stepping into a piece of sports history, cutting-edge technology, and masterful design. Nike isn't just a shoe brand, it's a global symbol of speed, innovation, and culture. But behind every swoosh logo is a fascinating story that starts on the factory floor and spans continents. Today we're taking you behind the scenes inside one of the most powerful and innovative manufacturing networks in the world, Nike. With over 780 million pairs of shoes produced every year, that's more than 2 million pairs every single day. From raw materials to the moment you unbox those fresh kicks, Nike's process is a mind-blowing combination of design brilliance, engineering precision, and advanced automation. So, how does Nike transform an idea into the sneakers that athletes and sneakerheads around the world can't live without? Let's dive deep into the entire journey from concept to creation. Nike's story didn't start in a billion-dollar factory. It started humbly in 1964 with a company called Blue Ribbon Sports, founded by track coach Bill Bowerman and his former runner, Phil Knight. Their goal was simple: create better, more affordable running shoes for American athletes. In those early days, Phil Knight sold Japanese running shoes out of the trunk of his car at track meets. But by 1971, everything changed. The company rebranded as Nike, named after the Greek goddess of victory, and introduced the swoosh logo, a design created by a college student for just $35. A symbol that would later become one of the most recognized icons in the world. Nike's big break came in 1984 when it signed a rookie basketball player named Michael Jordan. That deal gave birth to the Air Jordan line, a sneaker series that didn't just change sports, it became a cultural phenomenon, making sneakers a fashion statement and collectible item. Over the years, Nike evolved from a small shoe business into a powerhouse brand worth over $160 billion, sponsoring global legends like LeBron James, Serena Williams, and Cristiano Ronaldo. The slogan, "Just Do It," introduced in 1988, remains one of the most successful advertising campaigns in history, inspiring generations of athletes and dreamers alike. But behind that iconic swoosh, the real magic begins with design. Every Nike shoe starts as an idea, a concept crafted by a team of world-class designers, engineers, and sports scientists who work together to blend performance with style. These designers don't just sketch shoes, they use advanced technology like 3D modeling, motion capture, and pressure mapping systems to create footwear that meets the specific needs of athletes, whether it's speed for sprinters, grip for basketball players, or flexibility for runners. On average, it takes 12 to 18 months to take a shoe from concept to finished product. And Nike doesn't just stop at design. It's constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. Take Flyknit, for example, a revolutionary technology that knits the upper part of the shoe into a single piece, making it lighter, stronger, and more sustainable. Over 70% of Nike's products now include recycled materials, reducing environmental impact without compromising performance. From sustainable rubber to recycled polyester yarn, Nike has become a leader in green innovation, proving that big brands can lead the way toward a cleaner future. Once the design is finalized, the real manufacturing process begins. Most Nike shoes are produced in advanced factories located in Vietnam, China, and Indonesia, facilities that operate with high precision and strict quality control. The journey starts with material preparation. Modern computer-guided cutting machines slice through layers of fabric with incredible accuracy, ensuring minimal waste. This is especially important when working with premium materials like Flyknit or engineered mesh, which are tailored to each shoe model. Each component, whether it's the toe box, tongue, or heel support, is carefully cut, color-coded, and sorted by size. These pieces form the upper part of the shoe, which will soon be stitched and assembled with a perfect blend of craftsmanship and automation. The assembly process is where the art of shoemaking truly shines. Skilled workers and semi-automated machines bring all the upper components together. Each tongue, side panel, and heel is stitched or heat bonded with precision. For many modern Nike models, heat bonding replaces traditional stitching to make shoes lighter and more comfortable while reducing points of friction. The process requires extreme attention to detail. Every seam, every angle, every millimeter matters. On average, it takes about 25 to 30 steps just to build the upper portion of a single Nike shoe. While the upper is taking shape, the sole is created separately using advanced molding technology. This isn't just any sole, it's engineered for performance. Most Nike soles use Phylon foam for cushioning and durability, along with durable rubber outsoles for grip. And then there's the iconic Nike Air unit, which is made by sealing pressurized gas inside a durable, flexible membrane to provide that famous bounce and cushioning athletes love. Some shoes even have multiple air units for different pressure zones, delivering support where it's needed most. Before the upper and sole meet, every piece undergoes a thorough quality check. Then, using a combination of strong bonding agents and heat presses, the sole and upper are fused together into a single unit. Each shoe is placed into a shaping mold to ensure perfect structure, consistency, and comfort. From start to finish, a single pair of Nikes can take up to 3 hours to assemble, depending on its complexity. After curing and cooling, the shoes go through rigorous quality control. Experts inspect every pair for defects, checking alignment, stitching, glue marks, and overall appearance. Only the shoes that meet Nike's strict standards make it to the next stage, packaging. Once approved, the shoes are cleaned, polished, and boxed in Nike's iconic orange or black packaging. Each pair gets labeled with its size, model number, and even a factory code for traceability. The boxes are packed into cartons, palletized, and shipped to Nike's massive distribution centers around the world. The main hubs are in Memphis, Tennessee, Belgium for Europe, and China for the Asia-Pacific region. From there, Nike's sophisticated logistics system ensures that hundreds of thousands of pairs move efficiently every single day to retailers, Nike stores, and online buyers. Even packaging has been redesigned in recent years to reduce weight and environmental impact, another step towards sustainability. Nike isn't just about mass production, it's about pushing boundaries. Some of its latest innovations sound like something out of a sci-fi movie. Take the Nike Adapt BB 2.0. A basketball shoe featuring electronic self-lacing technology. With built-in motors and sensors, this shoe automatically adjusts to the shape of your foot, and you can control the fit using buttons on the shoe or even a smartphone app. Players can tweak the tightness in real time during a game. Lights, pressure settings, and fit can all be customized via Bluetooth. Another revolutionary concept is the ISPA Link, one of Nike's most sustainable designs. This shoe uses zero glue, making it fully recyclable. The upper and sole connect like Lego pieces so they can be easily disassembled and reused. And then there's the Alphafly 3, Nike's fastest marathon racing shoe ever, featuring ZoomX foam, a carbon fiber plate, and advanced grip technology. This is the evolution of the shoes that helped Eliud Kipchoge break the 2-hour marathon barrier, a historic feat that cemented Nike's position at the forefront of performance innovation. Nike's dominance in the sneaker world isn't just about making shoes, it's about creating culture. From streetwear fashion to professional sports, Nike's influence is everywhere. It has turned sneakers into status symbols, collector's items, and even investments. Limited edition releases and collaborations with designers and celebrities sell out within minutes, sparking global hype and massive resale markets. And through it all, Nike continues to innovate, not just in design and performance but also in sustainability and digital integration. With augmented reality apps for virtual try-ons, customization options like Nike by You, and futuristic tech like self-lacing sneakers, the brand is shaping the future of footwear. Have you ever wondered what goes into creating some of the most iconic footwear in the world? Behind every pair of Birkenstocks and Crocs lies an incredible story of craftsmanship, innovation, and design that has transformed them into global fashion icons. From the earthy, natural feel of cork-based sandals to the futuristic, lightweight magic of foam clogs, these shoes have captured hearts across generations. Today we're taking you inside the factories and workshops where these beloved shoes come to life, unveiling the meticulous processes, the cutting-edge technology, and the fascinating history that makes these brands so unique. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at your favorite sandals and clogs the same way again. Let's start with Birkenstock, a name that has become synonymous with comfort and durability. These sandals aren't just shoes, they're an experience crafted to give your feet unparalleled support. It all begins with the heart of the sandal, the cork latex footbed. To create this base, a precise blend of cork granules and natural latex is mixed into a uniform texture. This mixture is then carefully poured into specially designed molds that replicate the natural contours of the human foot. But it doesn't stop there. The molds are pressed under controlled pressure to form the foundation that makes Birkenstocks legendary for comfort and arch support. Once the footbed is shaped, multiple layers of jute are added. Why jute? Because it provides both flexibility and strength, making the sandal last for years while keeping it breathable and eco-friendly. After layering, the footbeds are placed into specialized drying ovens where they remain for up to 48 hours. This long drying time is essential. It allows the materials to settle and harden into the perfect shape, ensuring that every Birkenstock hugs your foot in just the right way. While the footbeds are drying, work begins on the upper sections of the sandal. Birkenstock is famous for its commitment to premium materials. High-quality natural leather, soft suede, and nubuck are the staples, but for those who prefer vegan options, Birkenstock offers innovative materials like Birkofloor and Birkebuck. These alternatives are not only animal-friendly but also incredibly durable and stylish. Each piece of material is cut into precise shapes using either computer-guided cutting machines or hand-cut templates, depending on the design. Skilled artisans then edge and punch the straps before stamping them with the iconic Birkenstock logo. The buckles, which are both functional and a design statement, are attached with care. Before assembly, the straps are softened to ensure they feel comfortable against the skin from the very first wear. Sustainability is at the core of Birkenstock's philosophy. The cutting process is designed to minimize waste, and many of the raw materials are sourced responsibly to reduce environmental impact. This attention to detail ensures that each sandal not only looks good but is also kind to the planet. Once the straps are ready, they move to the assembly line where they are attached to the cork latex footbed using strong eco-friendly adhesives. Skilled workers, or in some cases advanced robotic arms, align each strap with precision. This alignment is crucial to ensure the perfect fit that Birkenstock fans love. After the straps are secured, the sandals are pressed once again and left to dry so the adhesives can bond completely. During this stage, the outsole is added. Birkenstock uses EVA, short for ethylene vinyl acetate, for its outsoles. This material is lightweight, durable, and offers excellent shock absorption, which means your joints get extra protection with every step. Once the outsole is attached, it is trimmed and shaped to match the contours of the footbed perfectly. Now comes the all-important quality check. Every pair of Birkenstocks goes through a rigorous multi-point inspection. Workers examine the stitching, glue lines, buckles, and sole alignment. If a single detail is off, the sandal doesn't make it to the box. Instead, it's recycled, ensuring zero defective products reach the customer. Only the sandals that pass every test are cleaned, labeled, and packaged in recyclable boxes printed with model details, size, and region-specific information. Birkenstock's production scale is impressive. Over 30 million pairs are manufactured every year, primarily in Germany, and shipped to more than 100 countries worldwide. Now let's talk about some of the most iconic Birkenstock models. First on the list is the Birkenstock Arizona. This two-strap design has been a bestseller for decades and is considered a timeless classic. Originally launched in the 1970s, it became a symbol of freedom and individuality during the hippie movement. Today, the Arizona remains just as popular, with luxury designers like Dior and Rick Owens even creating high-fashion versions of this simple yet stylish sandal. Next, we have the Birkenstock Boston, a clog-style sandal with a closed toe and a single strap. It's perfect for year-round wear and has become a favorite among chefs, artists, and medical professionals for its slip-on convenience and comfort. Lastly, the Gizeh model offers a chic twist on the traditional flip-flop. With its toe post strap and supportive footbed, it's the go-to choice for those who want a sleek, summer-ready look without compromising on comfort. Switching gears, let's dive into the world of Crocs, a shoe that has gone from being the subject of jokes to a global fashion statement. Crocs began their journey in 2002 when founders Scott Siemens, Lyndon Hanson, and George Bodeker Jr. stumbled upon a unique foam clog design created by a Canadian company called Foam Creations. They saw potential, bought the rights, and launched the first Crocs model, the Beach, at a boat show in Florida. Expecting to sell only 200 pairs, they brought 1,000 to the event, and sold every single one. That was the start of a phenomenon. By the late 2000s, Crocs had sold over 100 million pairs, expanding from boat docks to hospitals, restaurants, and even high-fashion runways. What makes Crocs so special? The secret lies in their material, Croslite. Unlike rubber or plastic, Croslite is a proprietary closed-cell resin that makes Crocs lightweight, waterproof, and odor-resistant. It also molds to the shape of your foot, giving you a custom fit over time. Croslite beads are produced and shipped to Crocs factories, where they are melted and injected into molds that shape the shoe's body. Each mold is designed for a specific size and style, from the iconic classic clog to various sandal and slide models. The molding process is quick, just a few seconds per pair, yet incredibly precise. The shoes expand slightly inside the mold to fill every detail, including the signature ventilation holes and textured footbed bumps that make Crocs instantly recognizable. Once cooled, the shoes pop out as seamless, solid pieces, no stitches, no glue, and no weak spots. Any excess material is collected and recycled, reflecting Crocs' commitment to reducing waste. After molding, the shoes move to the assembly line, where the pivoting heel straps are added. These straps, also made from Croslite, are tested for durability and smooth rotation. Additional features like linings, buckles, or Velcro straps are installed if the design calls for them. Each pair is carefully inspected to ensure the iconic 13 ventilation holes are perfectly shaped. These holes not only provide airflow but also allow for personalization with Jibbitz charms, a quirky accessory line that has become a major revenue stream for the company. Before packaging, every pair of Crocs undergoes a strict quality control process. This includes visual inspections, flex tests, and verification of size and color accuracy. Pairs that fail are either recycled or remade. Once approved, they're labeled, barcoded, and packed into eco-friendly packaging. Crocs has made significant strides in reducing its environmental footprint, cutting plastic use and shipping materials by 80%. From there, the shoes head to global distribution centers, ready to be sold in more than 90 countries. Every day, hundreds of thousands of pairs leave Crocs factories, making their way to fans around the world. Crocs' resurgence in recent years is thanks in part to celebrity collaborations and high-fashion partnerships. The classic clog, the shoe that started it all, remains Crocs' best-selling model. Loved by healthcare workers, chefs, and everyday comfort seekers, this clog is fully waterproof, ridiculously lightweight, and customizable with fun charms. Then there's the jaw-dropping Crocs X Balenciaga platform clog, which debuted in 2017. This sky-high version of the classic Croc retailed for $850 and sold out almost instantly, proving that Crocs could dominate the luxury scene. Another major moment was the series of collaborations with rapper Post Malone starting in 2018. His edgy designs featuring bold graphics and custom Jibbitz charms sold out in minutes, cementing Crocs as a Gen Z favorite. Today, Crocs are more than shoes, they're a statement of individuality, comfort, and style. Both Birkenstock and Crocs share something rare in the world of footwear: authenticity. They've stayed true to their original purpose, comfort and practicality, while embracing innovation and evolving with trends. From the earthy elegance of cork and leather to the futuristic appeal of foam resin, these brands have changed the way we think about casual footwear. They've gone from niche to mainstream, from practical to iconic, and from simple ideas to billion-dollar empires. So, the next time you slip on a pair of Birkenstocks or Crocs, remember the journey behind those shoes, the precision, the craftsmanship, and the vision that turned them into global legends. Whether you're walking on city streets, strolling along a beach, or making a fashion statement, these shoes are more than just footwear. They're a piece of history, designed to make every step as comfortable as it is stylish. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you love discovering how the world's most iconic products are made, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep walking in comfort.